Welcome to Top Review Lab. The best Bloomin' Onion Kit is probably one of the most exciting and delicious ways to bring a restaurant-quality appetizer right into your own kitchen, allowing you to recreate that iconic, crispy, and flavorful Bloomin' Onion experience with ease. Imagine the satisfaction of perfectly slicing, coating, and frying your own creation, impressing friends and family with a homemade treat that rivals any Outback Steakhouse classic, all from the convenience of your home kitchen. This kit promises not just a meal, but an interactive culinary adventure, turning a simple snack into a memorable event. Number 5. AeroGarden Harvest Indoor Garden. Experience the joy of abundant harvests year-round with this innovative indoor hydroponic system. Grow your favorite vegetables, herbs, or flowers in water, without any soil mess. This compact countertop garden allows you to cultivate 6 different live plants simultaneously. Each plant can grow up to 12 inches tall, providing ample space for your greenery. Our full-spectrum 20W LED grow light mimics natural sunlight, helping your plants germinate up to 5 times faster than in soil. It features an automatic on-off timer for convenience. The touch-sensitive illuminated control panel makes gardening effortless. It conveniently reminds you when to add water and plant food, ensuring a simplified experience. This system comes complete with a 20W LED grow light, power adapter, and liquid plant food. It also includes a gourmet herb seed pod kit with popular herbs like basil, parsley, dill, thyme, and mint. What we like. This indoor garden makes growing fresh herbs and vegetables effortless, even without a green thumb. If you're looking for a convenient way to have fresh produce year-round with minimal mess, this is the perfect solution for your kitchen counter. Enjoy the satisfaction of harvesting your own ingredients with its automated lighting and watering system. What people say. This kit is a game-changer for making bloomin' onions at home. It includes everything you need, from the special coring tool to the perfectly seasoned flour mix. The instructions are clear and easy to follow, even for a beginner. I was skeptical at first, but this kit really delivers. The onion cutter makes perfect, even slices every time, ensuring a beautiful presentation. The batter mix is delicious and creates a crispy, golden brown coating. Number 4. Cook's Choice Onion Blossom Maker and Breader Bowl Set. Tired of messy kitchens? Introducing the ultimate solution for perfect onion blossoms every time. This all-in-one set makes meal prep a breeze. It's more than just a slicer. This innovative set includes a mess-free breading station, ensuring your kitchen stays clean while you create delicious appetizers. Get ready to impress with minimal effort. This combo kit is designed for ease of use, perfect for quick weekly meal preparations. Crafted with care, this product is proudly made in the USA. You can rely on its durable design for countless culinary creations. Everything you need is right here. The set includes the onion blossom maker, the better breader bowl, and clear directions for use. What we like. This combo kit simplifies making blooming onions with its integrated slicer and battering station. If you want a foolproof way to create this popular appetizer at home without the usual kitchen chaos, this is your go-to. It's ideal for anyone who loves entertaining or enjoys a fun, easy meal prep experience. What people say. This kit is great for making bloomin' onions at home. It includes everything you need to get started, making it easy to recreate the restaurant experience. The instructions are clear and the tools provided make the process straightforward. Number 3. TikiTunes Portable Bluetooth 5.0 Wireless Speakers. Introducing TikiTunes, the portable Bluetooth speakers designed for both indoor and outdoor use. Enjoy your favorite music anywhere with these versatile and stylish speakers. These speakers feature an LED torch with an atmospheric lighting effect, perfect for setting the mood. Create a vibrant ambience wherever you go. Don't let their size fool you. These 5-watt audio speakers deliver impressive sound quality. They are compact and lightweight, weighing only 14 ounces each. With a 2000 mAh battery, you can enjoy hours of uninterrupted music. The high-efficiency lithium battery ensures long-lasting performance for all your adventures. Featuring the latest Bluetooth 5.0 technology, they offer a stable connection up to 30 feet away. Easily connect your iPhone, iPad, or Android devices. This set includes 2 speakers, providing a true stereo sound experience. Enhance your gatherings with immersive audio and captivating lighting. What we like. Bring vibrant ambience and great sound to any outdoor gathering with these portable speakers. If you love hosting parties or relaxing outdoors and want to create a lively atmosphere with music and lighting, these are a fantastic choice. Their combination of atmospheric lighting and clear audio makes them perfect for evenings on the patio or backyard get-togethers. What people say. Makes a restaurant-quality Bloomin' Onion at home. Easy to use and clean, includes all the necessary tools. The kit comes with a detailed recipe and helpful tips for perfect results. Number 2. Vidalia Onion Blossom Kit. Introducing the Vidalia Onion Blossom Kit, your all-in-one solution for creating delicious blooming onions right in your own kitchen. Get ready to impress your guests with this easy-to-use kit. This complete kit includes everything necessary to make crispy, golden blooming onions. You'll find an onion cutter, batter mix, and our signature dipping sauce. Experience the authentic taste of Vidalia onions with our special seasoning. It delivers that unique, sweet southern flavor that's simply irresistible. Making restaurant-quality appetizers is now simple. Just use the included cutter, coat with batter, and fry for a delightful treat in minutes. Elevate any occasion with these crowd-pleasing appetizers. They are perfect for game days, parties, or family dinners, offering a fun cooking experience for everyone. Crafted with Southern hospitality from Vidalia, Georgia, our products guarantee trusted quality and authentic flavor. What we like. Achieve crispy, golden blooming onions with authentic Southern flavor right in your own kitchen. If you're a fan of this popular appetizer and want to recreate that special taste at home, this kit is perfect for you. It's ideal for game days, parties, or any occasion where you want to impress guests with a delicious, homemade treat. What people say. The kit includes everything you need to make a restaurant-style bloomin' onion at home. The instructions are clear and easy to follow, even for beginners. The onion cutter is sharp and creates perfect slices every time. Number 1. Onion Machine. Introducing the Onion Machine, designed for fun and ease of use in your kitchen. It makes preparing onions a breeze. No matter the size of your onion, this tool handles it with precision. Get perfect slices every time for any recipe. Whether you're frying up some delicious rings or baking a savory dish, it prepares your onions perfectly. Achieve consistent results for all your culinary creations. Cleanup is a snap. This kitchen gadget is completely dishwasher safe. Spend less time scrubbing and more time enjoying your meal. Get inspired with the included cookbook. It's packed with recipes and tips to help you make the most of your new kitchen companion. What we like. This simple machine makes creating blooming onions incredibly easy and versatile. If you're looking for a fun and straightforward way to prepare this dish, whether fried or baked, this is a great option. Its ease of use and cleanup make it perfect for casual cooks who want to try something new and exciting. What people say. This kit makes it easy to create a restaurant-style bloomin' onion at home. The instructions are clear and the included tools help achieve a perfect bloom. The onion cutter is sharp and creates uniform slices for even cooking. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.